Hello and welcome to the fourth video of the root finding method series. In this video, we will learn about the false position method. The false position method is very similar to the bisection method. The only difference is that instead of the root being estimated at the midpoint of the interval at each iteration, we now estimate the root from the linear line drawn from the start and end of the interval at a given iteration. This means that the new root estimate can be computed using this formula. Since we use this interpolation formula, this method is also known as the linear interpolation method. The implementation of the false position method is very similar to the bisection method. The only change in the code is how we find the new root estimate, which is the interpolation formula written as a lambda function and then using this in the while loop. Rest of the code remains the same. If you are not sure what's happening in the code, please check the previous video on the bisection method where we provided a detailed explanation of the code. Let's now run the false position method on the same quadratic function that we used in the previous videos of this series, and we can see both root values are successfully identified. This is the end of the bracketing methods. In the next video, we will look at more methods from the open category. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.